Still shooting boring videos from the ground? These 5 trending Amazon drones can completely change how you capture the world, from cinematic aerial shots to smooth, pro-level footage. And trust me, number 1 is on a whole different level. Welcome to consumer heaven. Let's take your visuals to the sky.
Number 5. Potensic ATS GPS Drone. Starting off our list is the Potensic ATS GPS drone, one of the best lightweight drones available for travelers and beginner pilots. One of the biggest advantages of this drone is its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many drone regulations in several countries and is incredibly easy to carry around. The compact foldable design means you can easily pack it into a backpack for travel, hiking, or outdoor adventures. Despite its small size, the Atom SE still packs a powerful 4K EIS camera. The electronic image stabilization helps smooth out footage while flying, reducing shakiness and making your videos look more cinematic. This makes it perfect for capturing scenic landscapes, travel footage, and social media content. Another strong feature is the 4-kilometer FPV transmission range, which allows you to control the drone and see the live video feed from a long distance. Combined with GPS positioning, this ensures stable flight and precise hovering, even when flying in slightly windy conditions. Battery performance is also impressive. With up to 62 minutes of total flight time using multiple batteries, you can spend more time capturing footage instead of constantly recharging. Safety features like GPS auto return, intelligent flight modes, and brushless motors make the drone reliable and beginner-friendly. Overall, the Potensic ATS offers an excellent combination of portability, camera quality, and flight stability, making it one of the best travel drones you can buy. Best for travelers, beginners, and casual creators who want a lightweight drone with solid 4K video performance. Downside, the transmission range and advanced camera features are lower than professional drones.
Number 4. GPS drone with 4K camera and 90-minute flight time. If long flight endurance is your top priority, this GPS drone with a 4K camera and 90-minute total flight time is a fantastic option. One of the biggest highlights of this drone is its extended flight time, allowing you to stay in the air far longer than many entry-level drones. This makes it ideal for capturing long aerial shots, landscape videos, or extended outdoor adventures without constantly landing to swap batteries. The drone features a 4K FPV camera capable of capturing clear aerial photos and videos. While it may not compete with professional cinema drones, it still delivers sharp and vibrant footage suitable for social media, travel content, and casual filmmaking. Another useful feature is the 5-inch LCD screen built directly into the controller. This eliminates the need to connect your smartphone, making setup faster and easier. You can view the live camera feed directly on the controller while flying. The drone also includes some smart flight modes, such as Follow Me, Circle Fly, and GPS Auto Return. These features make it easier to capture cinematic shots automatically while keeping the drone safe during flight. The brushless motor system improves durability, efficiency, and stability while reducing noise during operation. Thanks to its foldable design and user-friendly controls, this drone works well for both beginners and intermediate pilots. Overall, it's a great drone for anyone who wants long battery life, easy controls, and reliable 4K footage. Best for users who want extended flight time for longer aerial recording sessions. Downside, camera stabilization is not as advanced as gimbal-based drones. Number 3. B-Wine F7 Gym Pro Drone. If you're serious about aerial photography or video production, the B-Wine F7 Gym Pro drone is easily one of the most powerful drones on this list. This drone is equipped with a 6K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis brushless gimbal, which delivers incredibly smooth and stable footage even when flying in windy conditions. The gimbal actively compensates for movement, allowing you to capture professional-looking shots that are perfect for filmmaking, YouTube videos, and cinematic content. The drone also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring sharp and detailed video quality. Whether you're filming landscapes, action scenes, or travel footage, the camera produces vibrant and realistic visuals. Another impressive feature is the 10,000-foot digital FPV transmission range, allowing pilots to explore large areas while maintaining a stable connection with the controller. Battery performance is equally strong, offering up to 70 minutes of total flight time with multiple batteries. This gives you plenty of time to capture footage without constantly worrying about battery life. The drone also includes several advanced safety features, including GPS smart control, intelligent return to home, and TOF obstacle safety support. These features make the drone more reliable and easier to operate, even for less experienced pilots. Overall, the B-Wine F7 Gym Pro is a feature-packed drone designed for creators who want professional performance without paying the extremely high prices of premium cinema drones. Best for content creators and filmmakers who want high-quality aerial video. Downside, slightly heavier and more complex than beginner drones.
Number 2. Drone with 4K EIS camera and built-in screen controller. Taking the number 2 spot is this 4K EIS camera drone with a built-in screen controller, which offers an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and value. One of the most unique features of this drone is the controller with an integrated display. Instead of connecting your smartphone every time you want to fly, you can simply power on the controller and start flying immediately while viewing the live camera feed on the built-in screen. The drone features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, which helps produce smooth footage while flying. This is especially useful for capturing cinematic shots, travel videos, and aerial photography. Another standout feature is the 10-kilometer transmission range, allowing the drone to fly long distances while maintaining a stable video signal. Battery performance is also impressive, offering up to 70 minutes of total flight time with multiple batteries. This makes it ideal for longer shooting sessions. Smart flight features such as AI tracking, orbit mode, follow me mode, and automatic return to home allow users to capture complex shots with minimal effort. The drone is also lightweight and foldable, weighing under 249 grams, which makes it extremely portable and easy to travel with. Overall, this drone delivers premium-level features, impressive flight range, and excellent camera stabilization, all at a competitive price point. Best for beginners and creators who want powerful features without complicated setup. Downside, the built-in screen slightly.
Number 1. GPS drone with 1080p camera and LCD controller. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the GPS drone with a 1080p camera and built-in LCD controller, a highly reliable and beginner-friendly drone. This drone is designed to offer a simple, stable, and stress-free flying experience, making it perfect for new pilots who want to learn drone flying without complicated controls. The drone features a 1080p HD camera, which captures clear aerial photos and videos. While it may not match the resolution of high-end 4K drones, it still provides solid image quality for casual photography and social media content. A major highlight is the 4.5-inch LCD screen integrated into the controller, allowing you to monitor your flight in real time without connecting your smartphone. The drone also supports 5 GHz FPV real-time transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive video feed while flying. Safety and stability are enhanced through GPS positioning and auto return-to-home functionality. If the drone loses signal or battery power gets low, it will automatically return to its takeoff point. Additional features like Follow Me mode and SD card recording support make it even more practical for everyday aerial filming. Overall, this drone offers a great combination of ease of use, stability, and essential smart features, making it a dependable option for beginners entering the drone world. Best for beginner drone pilots who want a simple and reliable flying experience. Downside, camera resolution is lower compared to 4K drones.
So, which drone are you flying first? Drop it in the comments. I'm checking them all. If you want smarter tech and next-level gadgets, hit like, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and turn on notifications. All the best deals are linked below. Go upgrade your gear. Fly smarter, capture better. See you in the next one.